Alright, welcome back everyone. Alright, we're working on our sawmill shed today. I got the ridge beam in and we're cutting rafters for it. I'll show you the ridge beam we got up there. Don't mind the camera shake. Let me get back here so y'all can see it. That's the ridge beam put in. Now we're cutting the rafters for it. 48 rafters. We're cutting both ends. These are already done right here. I got this stack to go, and them ain't so great to use, so I'm gonna use them for scavenger pieces for anything else I can use them for. All right, let me get you back over here on the stand where it ain't so shaky. Give me just a second here and get it all adjusted. All right, might be a little noisy. These are true 2x6s, and they are heavy. Woo. We're cutting them at 114 inches, which that leaves me a 3-foot hangover. At a 17 degree angle. Little cheater block here. I don't have to measure both sides. Line it up. Each end, I want this on the end. So I know that's the end beam. Alright, that's a wrap for right now. Soon I get some more laid out, I'll get another video. I got to burn all these. I'll burn these before I put them up, and then I'll shoot y'all a video of that. Alright, we thank and appreciate y'all watching the videos, and hope you hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Thank you, and y'all have a great day.